Okay, so we made our way inside the lobby area, which is all new. The entry area for the studio tour used to be across the street, right over there. But now there's this beautiful new lobby area. There's a Starbucks, and food and drink is welcome on the tour. And of course the studio store, which we'll be checking out right after. But we have our 3 p.m. tour coming up, and so we are gonna enter in here. It's a 3-hour experience, 2 hours self-guided, 1 hour guided tour, and we're gonna explore everything the lot has to offer. Okay, so we're in the waiting area for the tour, and there's this all new area. Behind us is a replica of the Warner Brothers iconic water tower. And all around here, you can see there are like little mini sound stages, and this whole floor is actually kind of like a map of the whole lot. And these things are so cool. How are you feeling going into the studio tour?
I'm excited because, like, from the last time I've been here, a lot of things have already changed. So I'm interested to see what's new on the lot. Hopefully there's new things. It's probably just the studio tour building, but nonetheless, I'm excited to be back. Yeah,
it's all new for 2021, and it's so different from our experience just a few years ago, and I'm excited to check it all out. I hope we get to see the Ellen set. Brother's property?
Was the first talking motion picture and innovated the entire film industry.
It could be in the future though too. This brick building, which is also used in The Mask. Jim Carrey jumps down and flops right on the sidewalk. But in the movie Minority Report in the future, you're gonna see Ellen's set. It's gonna be the last chance you're gonna get to see this set in person. You get. Are we allowed to? You have to sit here. I just don't go on. Is she winning? You might have noticed the insulcoat material on the walls. That's the insulating material I was talking about for the sound. You also might have noticed how large the elephant doors really are when you pass by them. Now you're inside the stage, right? This is the tallest soundstage in the lot. It's also the tallest soundstage in the entire North America. This is soundstage 16. I'm going to play a little beginning of the montage happens where Emma Stone and Ryan Gosling walk around the studio lot. And they don't specify that it's Warner Brothers, but it is indeed Warner Brothers. Watch the film again to recognize it immediately as Warner Brothers. The Anytown, USA location, so called because, well, it could really be any town. A more recent addition was this house was turned into the Fuller House only for some promotional material. So this is not where they actually filmed anything from Fuller House, but it is where they did some promotional and advertising material from Fuller House. So this is our Anytown, USA location. It's been Stars Hall, Connecticut. It's been Rosewood. It's been in a show called Heart of Dixie, which took place in the South. Another area of the South. It was in Dukes of Hazzard television series in the 1970s. It was Falwell, Massachusetts, in Elvira, Mistress of the Night. Yeah. So what's the first thing you notice? Tell me. That's right. That's the first thing most people notice. No ceiling. I mentioned that before. This is where we hang the lights inside the practical sets. Because this isn't a functional house. There aren't lights. There's no AC too. You can see this tubing. This is the entrance to Lorelai and Rory's house in Gilmore Girls. So they only use this for the exterior shots, but this is a practical set. The interior and the other side exterior were used for Suki's house, which is another character on the show. Hills or locks. Then we actually do have a ceiling in this one. Now, just because we have a ceiling does not mean that there's actually a second floor. This is a false ceiling. Sex Lives of College Girls. It's a new upcoming show by Mindy Kaling. You can see the sorority letters up there. Actually, I should say, most recently it was actually used for filming for Shining Vale, which is that Courtney Cox show I was talking about. Right ahead of us, this is the most obvious example of a plant-on. Because this building is actually stage 48. It's where you're going to go inside of to see the script-to-screen exhibit. But this weird kind of facade here was built on the side of it as a plant-on. This used to be a house, but it was demolished. It was actually exploded in an episode of Pretty Little Liars, and then they just demolished the rest of it. Oh no, so we will be shutting by some minutes.
Okay, we just finished the guided portion of the tour, which was about an hour, took us all around the lot, and now we are here at stage 48. This is the script-to-screen exhibit here. This is the self-guided portion of the tour. And so we're about to enter and check it all out. Also behind us, I love this, there's a real Central Perk where you can actually get some food and drinks, picked up some water because it's very hot here, you gotta stay hydrated on the tour. Okay, this is probably my favorite part of the tour. We are here on the actual set of Friends. It's a total photo op experience, and Haley's a huge Friends fan.
Me
He's
too.
a huge Friends fan too.
Michael's a huge Friends fan.
Really big
I
Friends
rewatch all the time.
fans. We're really excited.
This gift shop in Stage 48 is actually completely dedicated to Friends. So it's super cool because if you're a Friends fan, all the merch in this gift shop, this specific gift shop, is Friends themed. There's also an extension to that Central Perk Cafe and this really awesome seating area where you can enjoy some food, some drinks. We are now in the third and final part of the Warner Brothers Studio Tour. This is the Action and Magic Made Here exhibit. This has a ton of props and costumes from movies like in the DC universe, Harry Potter, and so this is an all-new portion of the tour that I've never seen, and so I'm really excited to check this out, all new for 2021. I love this photo op here. This is the Wonder Woman photo op. Super cool. Right behind me, we got the Batmobile from the 1989 movie. This is the actual one that was used in here on the studio tour, and we were told specifically not to touch it.
There's nothing hidden in your head the sorting hat can't see. So try me on and I will tell you where you ought to be. Gryffindor!
I don't know Harry Potter. Which one is the Gryffindor house?
Harry Potter's house?
Oh, yeah, Harry's house.
Take a photo of me right here. I'm gonna try to catch my letter to Hogwarts.
Oh, that looks so great. We're in the final room, and you get to take a photo with an actual Oscar.
I'm so excited.
Which I hope is not the only time I get to hold an actual Oscar.
Same.
So we're manifesting it. Thank you. This is very cool.
Oh my god, my hand's shaking.
Alright, that concludes our time here at the Warner Brothers Studio Tour. Just hit up the gift shop back here, picked up some goodies, and we had an all-around great time here on the tour. If you want to check it out, you can head over to the Warner Brothers Studio Tour website. It is $69 right now for general admission, and if you're a SoCal resident, $57. Super cool, and I love all the new updates that they've introduced for 2021. If you did like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe and bell button below, and I will see you next time on the internet.
Oh, these are like the, I forgot their names, the screaming plants.